How to insert a link in Craigslist ad. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can insert a link on your Craigslist ad, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to insert a link to a Craigslist ad, just go to craigslist.org and then make sure to sign into your account. Once you go to craigslist.org, at the very top left you'll find this option called create a posting, so just make sure to click on create a posting. And now you can just select any of the options that you might want over here and then just click on the continue option depending upon what you want to actually sell. Now all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your title and then enter the price as well. Once you enter the price, you can just go ahead and select a city or neighborhood, the postal code, and in the description box you can just type in link just like this, and then you can just paste the link that you want to send it over here. So let's say there's a specific link, just go ahead and then copy the link like this and then just paste it, and then whenever people wants to view it, they have to copy. Now Craigslist doesn't feature clickable links, so even if you're entering HTTPS, Craigslist will not make it clickable. Users will have to copy this manually and then go to their website in order to just go ahead and then basically click on the link. This way you can insert a links to Craigslist. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.